welcome back to the channel. And first of all, happy Independence Day to all the Indians, because today is Independence Day and I'm on a morning ride with a few of my friends with superbikes. I don't know if I'll post this video on 15th of August. We have a couple of bikes, a few Hayabusas, Z810R, I guess, S1000RR. I don't know if you guys can hear me in the wind blast and the bike's exhaust. Alright guys, we've reached, and few Hayabusas, one R1. There was another bike, I think they all left ahead. Going for a breakfast ride in the morning, kind of. Okay guys, we're leaving home now. I don't know how much battery I left. I have to check. I guess we'll use the GoPro until the battery ends or something. I don't know if something happened over here. Okay. Some nice cool roads around here in the outskirts. I'm just cruising with lower cruising speed, not even average cruising speed of the ZX10R. Sheep. There's a whole big meet over here, I guess. Bro. ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸೆಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತವ್ರೆ. ರಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು.
ಕೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಾ, ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋ? ವ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
I have to find an alternative because it doesn't have an option of fitting in GoPro actually.
Okay. Yeah, because of this thing.
Right. I have to find an alternative.
So you just have to set it up and just do it like that. Okay.
So it's looking a bit odd, but
No, it's fine. Unless it shouldn't block your view. That's all. Which is your bike?
rest also.
Okay.
That one.
Oh, okay. I think I've seen that bike. That's my bike. Yeah. Actually, wasn't part of this ride. I had gone to Nandi Hills. I'd come back like this, and my friends, one of them were here, the Hayabusa. So I just come to meet him and go home. No, Rahul. The stock Hayabusa over there, a new one, a greyish one. That one. How was the ride?
Yeah,
Simple? It was good?
You're coming from where?
Where actually? Like my ride? Nandi Hills.
From Nandi Hills.
Yeah.
How's the traffic over there?
Cops were there. They stopped us, they took a video. They just told us to ride slow, not make sounds or anything, and they just sent us off. How's the bike?
Yes. It's
So-
just 4 months now.
Okay. Same. Mine also like 5-6 months. Yeah.
How's your experience?
A lot of neck, hand, wrist pain. This one exactly.
Sports bike.
Yeah. I mean, it's my first one.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I have to still get used to the pain and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, sports bike owners are.
Yeah.
You should be attentive to this riding posture and the pain that you get.
Yeah. I'll just go home, sleep. Oh, it's a little squeaky. It's not proper.
Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe. Peace.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on